Ya, kita sudah sampai di hideout. Kita lanjutkan. Ini rumahnya. Sebenarnya bukan rumah sih, ini motel.
Why are you sitting here? He's coming, right? Not like last time. Jackson, I did invite him.
Yang nggak tahu itu mereka siapa, itu adalah adik dari Aiden Plus dan keponakannya. Keponakannya ada 2, tapi yang perempuan itu udah meninggal waktu kecelakaan mobil tadi. Dan inilah inti dari cerita ini. Hacker ini coba untuk mencari adiknya, bukan adiknya, maksud saya keponakannya, anak dari adik perempuannya itu.
I trust our info in finding Maurice was correct. We gained access to the CTUS backdoor while the police were being distracted by you. Since we both win in this, we'll share what we have. That backdoor allows you some access to the CTUS network. I'm still working on something bigger. Give me time.
Skill, kita dapat skill. Kita yang butuh itu blockers. Kita bisa hack ATM juga, jadi ngambil duit di situ. Kita nggak butuh itu, kita butuh blockers dan bridge atau yang lain. Untuk perang kita butuh ini slow focus. Nah, enak ya, jadi slow motion. Kita pakai itu, butuh itu. Ini mobil, kita butuh car unlock. Jadi nggak usah dipecahin kacanya. Kalau nggak pakai ini, kita mecahin kaca buat masuk ke dalam mobil. Kita butuh itu. Dan juga butuh ini bridge. Bridge itu ngangkat jembatan, jadi kita bisa lolos dengan cepat. Lalu kita butuh jammer. Jammer itu untuk menutup jalur komunikasi. Jadi di sini bedanya dengan GTA itu, kalau kita ngambil mobil atau kita ngebunuh orang, ada orang yang bisa telepon polisi. Jadi kalau pakai jammer ini, kita bisa menutup komunikasi mereka dengan polisi. Kita butuh ini. Oke. Mission complete. Mission selanjutnya itu kita suruh tidur sampai jam 6 pagi-pagi.
Drive where?
Anywhere.
I don't want to go anywhere. I want to go to Pawnee.
Okay, you're the boss. We'll go to Pawnee.
Lena Pierce. Dalam usia 6 tahun.
Sick of remembering her that way. It's never a dream of her tiny face pressing the window when she knows I was coming over.
Or that little wobbly dance she did. It's always the same nightmare. I'd fixer to help me find the shooter. Jordy Chin. I was skeptical at first because the guy's eccentric. He's kind of motor mouth. He says I'm wearing a fancy suit to work. So far he delivers. Help me dig up a name. Maurice Vega.
Oke.
I need to get my mind off things. Lucky for me, this city's full of distractions. And they can't hide from me.
Ada yang mesum di situ. Oke. Di sini kita bisa ngehack kamera. Dan ada face recognizer. Misi kita mencari orang yang mencurigakan. Yang berpotensi melakukan kejahatan. Kita cari di mana dia.
I'll have to thank CTOS one day. Simple breach of their facial recognition software, and I've got access to everyone's personal details.
Oh, ini dia. Di SMS-an dengan salah satu potential crime.
That guy's out of control.
Kita kejar dia.
I'm not gonna let him hurt anyone today. Simple trace of his call and he's mine.
Jadi nggak usah ngecari kaca, tapi langsung pakai remote. Tut. Gitu. Oke, potential crime-nya di dalam segitiga terbalik itu. Sebenarnya bukan misi ini. Ini kayak semacam
He's here
side mission.
somewhere. Just move carefully. Don't get spotted. Let the profiler do the work.
Misi sampingan buat nambah reputasi dia. Kalau si
I'm gonna stop this guy. I need to pick him up
penjahatnya nggak
fast.
dibunuh, reputasi kita nambah lebih baik.
She must be the woman
Ini
he's
calon
after.
korbannya, potensial
This
victim.
guy's close. I can feel
Kita
it.
ikutin. Jangan lari. Kalau lari kita gampang terdeteksi. Ini bisa diledakin. Jadi bisa langsung ledakin itu aja.
We need to talk.
There's nothing to talk about.
Tunggu sampai
We're
merah.
done. Deal with
You're so
it.
fucking wrong. I'm not done yet.
I gotta stop
away.
now.
Jangan ditembak, tapi pukul gitu aja. Itu nambah
You won't bother
reputasi.
anyone now.
Yang bertentangan dengan itu kita ngebunuh, mencuri. Itu ngurangi reputasi kita. Bedanya ini sama GTA 5 itu seperti itu. Di sini ada reputasi. Sebenarnya sama seperti Red Redemption, buatan Rockstar juga.
Nikki, hey,
Ada sistem
I know the
reputasi
party
di situ.
started.
It's almost over. Where are you?
I'm on my way.
You make me crazy. Jackson's really looking forward to it. Get over here. We miss you.
I miss you too. I'll be there. Sorry, Nick, I need to take this. I'll see you soon.
Good. You got out. Look, if you need some wheels, give me a call. I'll set you up.
Pre-owned cars?
You'd rather register yourself at a car dealer? I don't ask questions. This guy gets me any ride I want. And you, if you need it.
I just might. How's Maurice doing?
Oh, he's all sunshine and buttercups. I'm gonna dump him at my little dumping place.
I need him alive, Jordy.
Yeah, alive. Whatever.
Goes against your better nature, huh?
I'd pop him and be done, but hey, you pay me right, I'll keep him alive as long as you want. I do work for a paycheck.
Jadi di situ dijelasin bahwa si ceweknya itu, maksudnya adik perempuannya itu lagi ngadain acara ulang tahun buat anaknya dan dia diundang. Terus si Jordi tadi dia ngasih tahu kalau kita bisa ngeluarin mobil dari handphone, jadi bisa beli mobil atau manggil mobil, jadi nggak usah nyuri.
Jack's last birthday, Lena sang off key. Happy birthday. Full throttle, no holds barred. Now, I'm afraid of the silence.
What the fuck? Not in the mood for your fucking noise.
Kita kunjungin ulang tahun keponakan.
Okay.
How old are you today?
10.
No, I think you're 9.
I'm 10.
9.
10.
9.
10.
Well, in that case, you deserve 10 birthday tickles.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10. 10.
10. Stay here for a second. So, an entire year and...
You're late. Yeah, I'm sorry, Nick. Really.
Come here. Let's have a look at you. You look older.
Oh, nice. Thanks for that.
It's his first birthday without Lena.
Oh, how's he doing?
Still doesn't talk to anybody but me. Yolanda says it's his way of maintaining some sort of control.
Yolanda.
His therapist. She's helping him. It's good. Just slow. It's hard, but we're gonna get through it. Jax.
Hey. Sorry I'm late. Now, yeah. Can we get a hug? Wow. You are big. So, hey, what do you got there? Wow, the healer. Cool. You bought him a real toy, huh?
Why don't you bring up your toys? I'm gonna speak with your uncle.
Yeah, I'll be up there in a sec.
This matters. You being here. I just need to make sure that things are different.
Things are different. You and Jax are the most important people in my life. I'm not gonna stop watching out for you.
Always the big brother, huh?
Ya situ ceritain kalau setelah kejadian itu si adik keponakan
Last
itu
time I
akan
was
sering
back here was
Liam.
Lena's birthday.
jadi nggak
Jackson
banyak
adored
bicara.
her. We all did.
You missed all the fun. The kids were playing Vigilante, imitating that guy they keep talking about on TV.
Let me guess. Jax was the vigilante.
No, they were all the vigilantes, and I was the only villain, but I make a mean bad guy. I gave him hell.
I should have come earlier. I could have warned them. Don't mess with my sister.
Remember when you and Mom were both sick as dogs, but Dad insisted his boy was gonna have his birthday cake? That thing was an abomination. All burnt and lopsided. That was Dad in a nutshell. He did a lot of ugly things, but it was always about family. Listen to me, I'm rambling.
Ada telepon.
Oh, really? No, don't let me interrupt you. Who is this? You think blogging caller ID will hide you? I don't know what's so entertaining, but the police won't find it very funny at all. I'm gonna give you some advice. Are you listening? Go outside, meet people, get a life, and stop calling me. What did you say?
Kayaknya ada telepon mencurigakan sih.
Listen, the police can trace this call.
Telepon mencurigakan. Kita coba hack.
Oh, nice.
I know where you live. How are the locks on those doors?
Who is this? Why are you calling?
Do you feel safe, Nikki?
Who was that?
Doesn't matter, just some stupid crank. It happens. Do you think this is strong enough?
Look, did you know his voice?
Oh, Jesus, Aiden, just leave it. It's fine.
It's fine. He thinks he can get inside.
How do you know what he thinks?
You're checking the locks.
Look, I can handle this on my own. We do not need your help.
Nikki, I can find this guy.
Hey, look, Aiden, God, you have not changed at all. We do not need your help. Please stop trying to fix our problems. Every time you try, you just make things worse.
Better go.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Ada yang teror lewat telepon. Kita coba cari.
Grown man making crank calls. Let's see how safe you feel when I trace your call.
Crank call.
There you are.
Kita kejar.
Damn it. He's on the move.
Kabur.
I've been afraid of this. That's
Jadi kita nge-hack traffic lights.
So we have a deal? Shit, yeah, I can't believe you're paying me that much just to make a crank call. Nikki Pierce, right? I'll mention the locks. That's the point.
Someone paid this asshole to harass Nikki. Who would pay for something like that?
Tadi ternyata bayaran. Ada orang yang
Did you get
bayar
anywhere with DedSec?
buat bikin
Any of those
teror.
CTOS hacks?
Yeah, I'm still trying. They're kicking you out. Give me time.
Okay, well, I need your help then. Can you trace a phone call?
How can I refuse my best client? Wait, what am I looking at here?
It's from a guy who threatened my family. I want to know who hired him.
Well, the call came from somewhere in the Loop District. But that's as far as I can see.
Okay, if I can hack CTOS inside the loop.
Then I should be able to pinpoint the source of that call.
Let's do that. Bloom's building a new CTOS center in the loop. It's perfect.
DedSec tried to attack that center last month. We failed, and they just added more armed guards. So it won't be easy. Be careful.
You sound like my sister. Relax. Make sure I'm armed and dangerous.
Jadi sudah dibilang kalau di sini di daerah ini nggak bisa dihack karena kita belum punya aksesnya ke server CTOS. Jadi satu-satunya cara untuk bisa hack kita harus naruh suatu virus ke server CTOS.
Bloom hires private contractors to guard their CTOS centers. These guys will be geared up and wired for action. But I'll be ready.
Di situ dibilang kalau udah banyak hacker yang coba bobol tapi gagal. Katanya terlalu berbahaya di situ. senjataannya lengkap. Jadi di sini kita coba beli senjata.
If CTOS doubles their
Kita nggak bisa
guards,
ngehack
I better double my
karena di sini
weapons.
servernya bukan kita kuasai, jadi nggak bisa dihack sama sekali. Kita beli senjata.
Nice day,
Assault
isn't it?
rifle.
Anything I can help you with?
Over the past few weeks, CTOS
See ya.
centers throughout Chicago have increased security due to several attacks from activist hacker group DedSec. When asked about security changes, Bloom spokeswoman Charlotte Gardner was decisive.
Chicago's safety is paramount, so we've hired private security for every CTOS control center. These highly skilled peacekeepers have trained in the most dangerous regions of the world.
In fact, Ms. Gardner, these peacekeepers you refer to are military mercenaries, many with criminal records. Isn't that true?
Indeed, they've served time in the military, but we should hardly reject our brave soldiers for proudly serving their country, should we? Our CTOS network
Kita
is
dengar
well
tadi beritanya,
protected, and that gives
kan
Chicago
udah ada
citizens the
hacker
comfort
yang
they deserve.
That was Bloom
bernama
spokeswoman
DedSec.
Charlotte Gardner discussing CTOS security.
Tadi kita coba buat ngehack CTOS di daerah ini tapi gagal.
Violence erupted last night in Rossi, Fremont. The notorious neighborhood has suffered a wave of violence over the last few years as members of the Black Viceroys clash over gang leadership. Police officials see no end to the violence.
Itu berita tentang waktu awal tadi, waktu penculikan Morris. Jadi Morrisnya itu udah diculik, ditaruh di suatu tempat. Nah, ini markas di mana server CTOS disimpan.
I need access.
Penjagaannya sangat ketat.
Gotta find out who's targeting my family. I want that voice behind the phone call.
Kita di sini nggak usah perang. Kita hacker, jadi kita hack aja lewat kamera. Dari belakang. Bukan. Sebenarnya sih nggak bisa buka juga. Kita pakai kamera. Ada orang di atasnya, ada kren, kita turunin kerennya, mati. Oke, ada yang ngejaga di sini. Explode. Sebenarnya masih banyak orang di sini. Ini bisa diledakin nih, mati deh. Kita coba masuk ke kamera sini. Kita harus cari akses code-nya. Nah, bukan akses code, nah ini dia. Bukan. Kita ulang lagi. Nyari akses code. Siapa yang pegang akses code-nya? Mana yang punya akses code? Mana kamu? Yang kan kalau reinforcement itu dia bisa manggil teman-temannya. Nah itu dia access code.
We're taking hits!
Yang kalau reinforcement itu harus dibunuh duluan. Kalau enggak dia bisa manggil teman-temannya. Makin banyak. Keluar semua, curiga dia. Sebenarnya bisa sih perang lebih cepat. Bisa, kita coba perang langsung, oke? Tapi nggak seru sih. Kita lebih enak hacker gitu loh. Jadi lebih real, ya kan? Kita harus mancing si ini nih yang punya kamera. Kita nge-hack kamera orang ini. Jadi sakunya mungkin dia ada kameranya. Dia naik ke atas. Ada di sini nih. Nah, kita panggil. Mengalihkan perhatian dia supaya dia nyamperin gitu. Ada di situ dia. Firewallnya. Oke. Itu dia. Hack. Ini simulasi buat ngebobol firewall. Sebenarnya sih hack nggak kayak begini, tapi ini mungkin lebih di mini game-in. Kalau lebih ribet lagi ntar pada nggak mau mainin lagi kan. Oke. Ini servernya. Kita lihat ada yang bisa dihack di sini. Ya, ini kamera dari drone. Drone itu pesawat yang ada kameranya. Jadi CTOS ini emang kayak begini, dia memata-matai setiap kamera di seluruh pelosok kota.
What was that? That's inside someone's home. Looks like CTOS is compiling every intimate detail from private citizens. It's no wonder DedSec despises CTOS.
You are an ugly bitch.
Jadi sebenarnya sih emang siapa tahu gitu. Setiap webcam di rumah kita itu emang di mata-mataan.
That's it. I'm hacked in.
What? You mean you're in the CTOS already?
I'm looking at the network as we speak. You've got your access, and I've got mine. Profiler system's online. Everybody's nasty little secrets at the click of a button. This thing's highlighting all kinds of stuff in the district. I could take advantage of
Anak
some
saya
of this.
nyanyi.
Keep an eye out for online traffic to be fixers in the network.
If I can see them, they can see me. All right, I gotta move. I mean, a lot of noise here.
Give me time to track your caller. I'll be in touch.
Oke, selesai. Kita nggak usah perang. Cukup nge-hack aja. Kan bisa di-hack tuh. Kita udah nguasain semuanya.
Nice, just nice.
Semua bisa di-hack. Ya kan? Nggak usah perang. Misi kita live di area keluar dari sini. Ya, demikian. Distrik akses sudah terbuka. XP kita nambah 500.
Hey, I need you to cover something for me.
What is it?
I lined up a lucrative deal with a very demanding client. He needs a driver.
No.
But here's the thing. I come in this morning, find Maurice trying to dig his way out of the guest room. So I need to move him. Now I could pass this problem on to you since Maurice is really your problem. But that's not my style. I always finish what I start, and all I'm asking of you...
All right, fine. I'll handle it.
Well, no, don't let me put you out.
I said I'd handle it. What's the job? Exactly.
It's a delivery job. Gotta move some guy. I mean, how hard is that? Just Keep in mind my reputation's on the line here. He's paying top dollar for the best driver in Chicago.
Then he's in luck.
Misi selanjutnya katanya kita akan menjemput suatu hacker menggunakan mobil, nanti kita jemput dia. Tapi itu nanti di video selanjutnya. Oke, dah.